To replace the Signature or Amplify glass doors, you will need 2 people. Start by removing one side of the male hinge on both the top and bottom of the existing door by first removing the 2 hex head bolts in the hinge. Next, pull the door straight back towards the left side of the sauna before removing it. One important thing to note is that the upper hinge can fall out of the supporting plate, so please be aware and be prepared to prevent it from dropping on the wood. Once the old door has been removed, position the new door on the rubber sections of the hinge. Repeat this process for both the top and bottom. While the glass is still being supported, reinstall the 2 bolts in both the top and bottom hinges to secure the glass.